Hello everyone, today we're talking about some styling tips for beginners. Whether you want to amp up your everyday look or you want to add some extra drama or oomph for a special occasion, there are some tips that can be followed that will help you. So let's take a look. So today I'm starting off with wearing this white crop shirt, which is very casual, and these dark blue denim jeans, but you can choose to wear any color of denim, light, dark, or mixed, or gray, or faded, whatever you prefer. And to add something more to this outfit, I'm going to choose with wearing a necklace. Probably something like either of these two, but I feel like I'm going to go with this one. So for me, this one is the most versatile piece because I feel like I could wear it with what I'm wearing right now, but you can also wear it with a round neck t-shirt. You can wear it with a hoodie. You could also wear it with a dress if you add some extra earrings to amp up like a special occasion dress that you would wear to dinner or go out. So yeah, I would go with this necklace to style this up a bit further. So now moving on to some jewelry for the hands. I have a bunch of options like these bracelets that are sort of stackable and this handcuff. I feel like I'm going to go with this. So I'm going to go ahead and wear them. Potentially, if I was wearing a watch, I'd like to maybe wear a few rings and take off these stackable bracelets, but today I'm feeling like I want all of them. So this is what I'd go with for the hand. So now I feel like I want to add a scarf as a contingency plan in case I feel chilly. And here I have this yellow one. I have this other neutral sort of soft pink one. And this colorful one. I feel like it's either of these two, but I feel like I'm going for something that's more neutral. That's this one. So I'm going to tie it around my bag strap because I feel like I don't want to add it to my outfit yet. But depending on the material of your scarf, if it's something that's silkier or lighter, you could always tie it around your hair or around your arm like a bracelet. Sorry, wrist, not arm, to add as an extra accessory. So now I feel like you could use a belt, maybe something like this, that's a thin strap, or something that's thicker like this, that's more statement. But depending on the outfit you're wearing, you'll need to pick a belt. And I feel like with this outfit, because my crop top is sort of loose, I don't think I want to add a belt, but maybe if you're wearing something a bit more fitted, even if it's a crop top, a nice thin belt would look nice. So now I'm going to add an extra accessory, which is a handbag, but it's also functional because it allows you to keep those extra bits of little things that you want to carry around. And this is a very cool piece, at least I think it's very cool because you can change the flaps. So let me show you. You can either go with a black flap like this with a gold bow, or you could go with something like this that also works for silver because it's a dull sort of gold. And there's also this black one with a bunch of colorful jewels that work for a lot of outfits. I'm gonna stick with this one for today. And now I'm going to add some earrings to my outfit, and I feel like I want to go for something that's a bit more simple, maybe like these or maybe these studs. I think I'm going to stick with these ones. And you could also go for something that's a bit more statement piece if you weren't wearing a necklace or bracelets. Something like these would be great for a statement piece. So I'm sticking with the studs for today. And now I'm going to need some shoes. So I'm going to pick between, these sneakers and these gold shoes. I feel like I'm going to go with the sneakers for today. So that is my final look, and this is my personal take on how to accessorize to amp up your clothes. And of course, all of you guys will have your own style that you should bring in to accessorize if you want to change things up a little bit, add or subtract something. And yeah, that's about it. So thank you so much for watching. Actually, I'm feeling like this hand is a bit bare while I'm talking to you guys. So I'm going to add a few rings that I had here. And now I feel like I am actually truly done. So thank you so much for watching. Keep watching for more videos.